Individual filing season is when many taxpayers fall victim to digital fraud. But did you know fraud can happen without you even realizing it? Here's how it often happens. Fraudsters gain access to your e-filing profile. They change your banking details. They submit false returns, all in your name. Digital fraud means your e-filing profile is hijacked. They might change your banking details to steal your refund, submit fake tax returns with inflated expenses. It's your name, your profile, your reputation, and your crime. Why does this happen? Because someone gets hold of your login details. Ask yourself, is your password strong enough? Have I used this password elsewhere? Are you the only one who knows it? Have you activated two-factor authentication? Is my device security updated and secure? Is the internet I use trusted? Am I accessing sensitive information on public Wi-Fi? These small actions can be the biggest barriers to fraud. Strong passwords matter. Passwords like tax 2025 is easy to guess, but a password like this is a fortress. And remember, never reuse a password you use for other sites. Each account should have its own unique password. Activate the two-factor authentication on e-filing. It's your second line of defense, a simple step that makes it much harder for criminals to break in. Activate your OTP to go to either your email address or cell phone number, or you may choose your trusted device where you have installed the SARS Mobi app to approve your e-filing login. This is the device you always have with you and usually don't share. Avoid sending OTPs to an email that could be accessed on shared devices, as this can be intercepted. Never share your e-filing username, password, or OTP, not even with your tax practitioner. It's the only way to keep your personal information safe from phishing and digital fraud. Beware of fake emails and SMSs asking for personal tax, banking, or e-filing details. SARS will never request sensitive information via email or SMS. If it feels suspicious, it probably is. Seen something suspicious? Report it. SARS website provides a detailed guide on how to report digital fraud, offering taxpayers comprehensive support and instructions to navigate such situations effectively. Report it via the SARS website SARS Online Query System, or visit a SARS branch in person, or call the SARS Contact Centre for assistance. Alternatively, taxpayers can also email cctt@sars.gov.za. Your report helps SARS stop fraudsters in their tracks. Once opened, the Report a Tax Crime page, complete all the information regarding the suspected digital fraud committed and submit to SARS. Together, we can reduce the risk of profile hijacking and keep your digital tax profile secure. Be responsible. Join SARS in the fight against tax fraud. SARS, at your service.